Try to find out the Oda one, which one is different. Please like and comment it. Next one is find one out, which one is different. Please like and comment it. Find Oda one. Please like and comment it when in the 10th second. Please like and share it. Within 10 seconds, identify the love emoji. Please identify this love emoji. Within 10 seconds, like and comment it. Thanks for watching and like and subscribe. Thank you.